Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to check your internet speed in Windows 11. First, you need to go to any of the browser you want. Click on the browser and search this Ookla speed test. After searching this, you need to go to this website. You have to click on it. After opening this website, you have to click on Go. It will optimize your internet speed of download and upload. As you can see, the download speed and upload speed has been optimized. You can also get the browsing quality good, you can get the good gaming quality bad, you can get the decent feedback from the website also. So I hope this has helped you. If it helped you, then please like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.